Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So you saw yesterday's video with the green seasoning, and you saw yesterday's meal was actually going to be the curry chicken, the green seasoning we made in the video yesterday, and also the rest of the meal included mortini and curry bodi and potato aloo. So today's video, you're going to be seeing how I make my curry bodi and aloo. Now this is one of those nice side dishes, vegetarian dishes that goes really nicely with roti or dhal and rice or anything you prefer. And you can actually make it without the curry. So you can just do like a fry sort of bodi, but I like the curry and I like the addition of the potato in it. So I'm going to be showing you guys my version of that today. So the ingredients for this one is pretty simple. So we have our potatoes, we have our bodi, we have curry powder, some onion, and I'm going to be using the green seasoning that you would have seen in yesterday's video. So the first thing you're basically going to do is just chop your bodi into smaller pieces. Now the supermarkets actually sell already cut bodi, but I mean it doesn't really take that long to cut it up, so I just normally prefer to do it myself. Now the size, it all depends on what size you prefer, but I think about an inch for me is normally fine. So there's actually a lot of bodi and I didn't really realize that, so I think I'm not going to make all of this today. I can probably show you guys how to do the regular fryer bodi without any sort of curry. So I think I'm going to actually put it back and use this just a little bit just to show you guys my curry bodi version. So I'm not going to be using all of this potato either. So I've got my bodi all chopped up, so it's not much that I'm going to be making today. I'll save the rest for another time. My potatoes all chopped up, and I've got my onions, and I'm going to be using a little bit of the green seasoning and of course curry powder. So we're going to start things off with some coconut oil in my pot that's already hot, and to that I'm adding my onions. Next I'm adding my curry powder. So when my heat is on low, like with what we do in our usual curry dishes, you're just going to toast the curry powder for a couple of minutes. It's going to get greeny, it's going to darken in color a little bit. You can add a little bit of water. And after about 2 minutes, I'm going to add my bodi and my potato. So I'm going to stir everything up. I'm going to increase the heat and I'm going to cover the pot. But before we do that, I'm going to add some of my green seasoning and some water as well. So I'm going to cover it and let it cook down for a couple of minutes. We're going to check on it. Make sure the potatoes are nicely cooked through and the bodi nice and soft, and then we'll add some salt and black pepper to taste. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. Let's just check on it. It's coming together nicely. So you're going to let it continue cooking. Time to check on it again. So you can see that the bodi is actually looking a little more tender. Feels tender. It's coming along, so I'm going to add some more water at this point, and I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. So I'm just going to cover it back. Alright guys, so let's have a look. Great, so it's almost there. So now I'm just going to leave the cover off and I'm going to raise the heat and let it just simmer down. Of course, be sure to taste it and add more salt if necessary or more pepper. Alright guys, so at this point I'm going to turn off my stove. You still see there's some sauce, but that's okay. When this cools down, it will thicken up, and I also want a little bit of the sauce in it as well. So this is just perfect for me. So our curry bodi with potato or aloo is finished, and like I said, this is a fabulous side dish that goes well with roti or dhal or rice. It's absolutely a delicious vegetarian side dish that you will absolutely love for sure. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my bodi and aloo video. I know that a lot of you guys make this at home. It's a regular, it's a quite popular vegetarian dish as well. My version of it, of course, hope you guys liked it. Just remember, you can't do it the other way without the curry in it. You can't eliminate the potato too, but I just love the potato in it, a nice extra dimension to the dish. So I did not use any jeera or garam masala, but you can go ahead and use some if you want, but I don't like too much extra of the jeera taste in it. I just prefer regular curry taste. But like I said, with all my recipes and all my videos, you guys experiment, use my recipes as guide, and of course adjust according to your preferences. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.